Hi everyone. The next is use the text, use the primary keyword naturally. So in order for you to use primary keyword naturally, a good keyword density is about 2%, which means you should use the keyword naturally once or twice in every 100 words. Like I told you, we'll go with 100 words per paragraph. So since I have up to, let me count the words I have. Let me count how many words I have in my blog post. So I have to 373 words. So I'm hoping for so like I said, every 100 words should go with one or two micros. So I'm going for from three to six or seven primary keywords in the blog post. So let's do this. Let's do this. So this is the primary keyword. This is the primary word. Beans with red oil. Beans with red oil. So let's go. WordPress. We're doing this on WordPress. This is red oil. So if you want to learn how to cook beans with red oil, this post is for you. So the seed of I would not need it here. So this is it. Number two, this is beans with red oil recipes. This is supposed to be in uppercase, but anyways, I'll change it later. Beans with red oil. Let me just copy this so that I'll be sure. So I'll put it here. So to cook beans with oil, you can also try this. So let me do that. So four. So I've actually gotten three, but let us go on if I can get six to seven. So benefit of beans with oil. So four. So I might get up to more than seven. Let me just. There's something I'm going to do at the end which I don't want to do now. So I believe I'll get up to five. I've gotten four, which I needed minimum of three to seven, but I've gotten four. I'm okay with this. I might get more than this at the end because at the end you start to add some other words. So this is good. Let's move on to the next.